The next disease that we are going to study is filariasis. Filariasis is caused by helminthus, that is filarial worm, commonly called as filarial worm. Filarial worm. The scientific name is Eucheraria. Eucheraria bancrofti. Eucheraria bancrofti and Eucheraria malai. These are the two species. Bancrofti and malai are the two species of Eucheraria or the filarial worm that enter into human body by the bite of a mosquito called as Culex. The name of that mosquito is Culex. This small worm, they enter into our body and they directly take entry into our lymphatic system. This we have to remember. We know what is lymphatic system. It makes it entry into that system and they start their growing phase there. As a result, the lower part of our body, especially our lower limbs and maybe our genital organ, okay, that part will get swollen. The leg look as if it is the leg of elephant. So filariasis is also called as elephantiasis. It is also called as elephantiasis. Okay. Anyhow, in the initial stage, the disease can be cured. It's not very dangerous. Okay. But if it is left uncured, okay, then it may become problem to the human being. One more disease we'll study, that is fungal disease, commonly called as ringworm disease. Ringworm disease. The term ringworm is because of its appearance. Okay. In ringworm disease, on our skin especially, it can occur on any part of body, skin, scalp, okay, in between the fingers, in the armpit, wherever it can occur. Okay, on the skin we can see dry scaly lesions, reddish patch, and there will be intense itching sensation. Okay, and that disease is called as ringworm disease. It is because of some of the species of fungi. To name a few genus, one is Trichophyton. Trichophyton. One more genus is Epidermophyton. Epidermophyton. And then Microsporum. These are some of the genus belonging to the fungi that cause ringworm diseases. And this spread from one person to another person very easily through the towel, comb or the cloth used by infected person. And they grow very well under two conditions, okay, heat and moisture. Here heat refers to warm condition, and when moisture and warmth or the heatness come together, okay, they enhance the growth of this fungi, and this disease is called as ringworm diseases.